Hey there, beautiful people! Today, we're diving into the world of nail growth tips to help you achieve longer, stronger nails in just 3 days. Let's get started. First up, invest in a high-quality nail polish to help strengthen and protect your nails. This will not only make your nails look amazing but also provide them with the support they need to grow faster and stronger. Next, don't forget about the cuticle oil. Applying it every night will help nourish and strengthen your nails, leading to faster growth. Plus, it keeps your nail beds hydrated and healthy looking. For extra strength and growth support, consider using a nail gel or fiber extension on top of your natural nails. This additional support can lead to noticeably faster growth in just a few days. Just be sure to give your nails a break every 2 weeks to allow them to breathe and continue growing at their natural pace. And there you have it, 3 fantastic tips to help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Give them a try and share your results with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more beauty hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, gorgeous people.